Pick a branch about the thickness of a finger and a straight upward branch. Use a knife to cut about 5 centimeters up and down. Then make a vertical cut after the ring cut. Peel off the middle bark. Note that. Be sure to scrape off the cambium layer with a knife. Otherwise it will heal, and it's not easy to grow roots. Next, find a small flower pot. Cut a small opening at the bottom, and cut a small opening on the side of the pot, to easily put the branch wrapped in bark on it. This forms a container for the soil. Choose loose coconut fiber or nutrient soil, which will help the roots grow better. If not, you can use ordinary native soil. If you have potatoes, cut it into pieces and mix it into the soil. The salicylic acid it contains can promote plant root growth. It can also become fertilizer after hatching. Fill the soil into the small flower pot. Press it slightly with your hands. Water the soil until it is thoroughly soaked, and wrap it with a film or plastic bag. Keep the humidity inside to promote root growth faster. After 50 days, cut the star fruit branch below. Tear off the film, and take off the small pot on top. You can see that the branches have grown many healthy roots. This is the high-pressure propagation technique. It is suitable for most flowers and fruits we see. Plant the fruit tree in a pot, and it becomes a new large star fruit tree. It has roots, branches, and leaves. It retains the excellent characteristics of the original variety. The tree shape is also dwarfed. It grows rapidly. It will even bloom and bear fruit in the same year. Have you learned it?